Hey everybody, Mandy here, and welcome back for some more 4th of July crafts. Today we are making this awesome popsicle stick firework wreath, perfect for your 4th of July celebrations. So let's get started. So for this craft you're going to need a wreath base, which I got at Michael's for 59 cents, some paint, hot glue, and popsicle sticks. Now to create this particular wreath, I used over 400 popsicle sticks, but lucky for you, you can get 100 in a pack at the dollar store for 99 cents. Now you can, if you're doing this craft with your little ones, you will want to take the paint and the popsicle sticks and the brushes outside because it can make a huge mess. So first things first, get a piece of cardboard or newspaper and put some popsicle sticks down. I like to use this bristly brush because it creates sort of like a splatter effect, perfect for the firework wreath overall. So grab some paint, sort of just dab it on, and then put a little bit of water on it. And then if you're outside, you can totally like flick the brush to get the different splatters, but if you're inside, you can just sort of dab it around. And you're not coating the entire popsicle stick unless you want to. You're just sort of dabbing the paint on to give it a little bit of color. So do that a bunch of times with whatever kind of colors that you want. You know, we have these wonderful Martha Stewart craft paints that I love because the colors are so vibrant. So grab your hot glue gun. And the first round of popsicle sticks that you're creating is you're going to just do a little on one end and you're going to put them about halfway onto the wreath base. So that is like the first layer of popsicle sticks, and you're going to do that all the way around. The next layer of popsicle sticks, to achieve the effect you see behind me, you're going to do kind of the same amount of hot glue, but you're going to put them in between and on the other part of the wreath base. And then it gives it sort of like a 3D effect already. You can see they're not totally flush with the yellow ones. They're kind of popping out at you a little bit, just like a firework. Then for the last round of your popsicle stick firework explosion, they're going to go right on top in between the blues, but they're going to stick over wreath base just a little bit. And those are going to go right next to each other. The effect going all the way around the wreath is nice and close together so that you don't have like crazy popsicle sticks sticking all over the place in the center. And then the last thing, if you have it, we added a really fun firework 4 onto our wreath, also attained at the dollar store for 49 cents. And you can paint that all different types of colors to go along with your firework theme. Of course, don't forget to add a colorful ribbon so that you can hang it on your door or outside or wherever your celebration is going to be. If you like this craft and you want to see some more, please subscribe to our YouTube channel and have a very happy 4th of July.